Hi guys, how you doing? Mana is getting ready to blow towards the upside, of course, to blow towards the upside over here. This is a monthly time frame of Mana, Decentraland, and it does look very, very interesting. Now there is a couple of lines over here. We're gonna remove those moving averages up here, but this line is the most important, and it already broke towards the upside up here. You can see this on the weekly time frame up here. We had this downtrend over here that's been going for a very, very long time. This is what we call accumulation zone. Ever since, you know, this stops up here to these bottoms down here, so there is a blue box over here. This accumulation zone, it is still technically inside the accumulation zone, but it did break the trend right over here right now. Had a small pullback. Right now it's climbing back to these levels, and it's going above, outside of this accumulation zone. Every coin needs to get out of the accumulation zone sooner or later if it wants to have a big pumps, of course, and this is getting very, very close to getting out of those accumulation zones. So I would say the accumulation zone actually starts over here, right on these bottoms down here, and these stops over here. So there is some kind of blue box over here, give or take. And what did I do right now? There we go. I clicked something. Okay, so this is the accumulation zone over here, the blue box over here, very, very important box. And see right now we are still way below the blue box right now, and we are not out of the accumulation zone, but the trend is technically broken. This downtrend over here that's been going on for a while right now is broken, and what we are looking right now is the breaking this towards the upside, and this actually looks magnificently good. So right now what we are having over here on the chart is actually curving of the trend. So, you know, it's creating this curvature before it actually goes towards the upside. So this move towards the downside over here got broken. So right now we are looking for this move towards the upside to be broken again, and then it goes towards the upside, and there will be another line up here, and then we're looking for that, and then we're looking for explosions towards the upside. This is called curvature, right? And these curvatures, you know, happen all the time in tech analysis. This is how price curves, and when it changes direction from bear markets into bull markets, it goes slowly, but you know, one line after another they fall, and you know, eventually it becomes very, very bullish and very, very strong trend towards the upside. We are not quite there right now, and right now what we are looking for is actually this line over here to actually get broken. This on the weekly time frame. So we need a little bit more push up here towards the upside before we actually get into this zone between 74 and 88, give or take. This is the major level of resistance up here, but as soon as this level of resistance is broken up here towards the upside, it is technically out of this what we call accumulation zone. And if you look on a monthly time frame over here, there are a couple of major levels that are very interesting for us when it comes to, you know, what is the next move. First one is up here at 1.48. The second one is this range, or this zone, tiny zone range up here at 2.8, and the last one is all the way up here at 4.6. Now, can it go higher than that, some kind of, you know, all-time high and stuff like that? It definitely can, but we do not know just yet. I mean, we have to wait and see how it's gonna go. So for us on this channel, it's always very, very interesting to see what is the next level, major level that we have to we are probably gonna go to and try to find, you know, timing some kind of tops, right? So this over here looks actually very, very nice. This monthly time frame, I'm gonna show you what's actually happening up here. We had this big move towards the upside. Everything had this big move towards the upside. Right now I had a pullback to the 10 moving average. Right now we're trying to break and close above this red line. This red line is 20 moving average on the chart, very important line on the monthly time frame, and we still got something like 4 or 5 days left of February, this monthly time frame. So this candle is a monthly candle. This candle needs to close about 20 moving average up here. If it can actually manage to close above 20 moving average up here, above this channel up here, above these highs over here, get a bullish engulfing candle towards the upside, that's something like 0.52. This looks very, very strongly is going to break out of the accumulation zone very, very soon. It's getting ready. Like a lot of coins that are already out of these accumulation zones right now, it looks like, you know, gaming coins and metaverse coins are right now about to get out of these accumulation zone, and after that it's only, you know, a matter of time and timing the, you know, the next moves. How high can we actually go when it comes to, you know, moving towards upside up here? Right, where is the next, where is the top up here towards the upside? It's important to know when time, you know, looking for tops in price discovery. Price discovery is everything above, you know, the previous high. As soon as the price comes there, nobody actually knows where is the top and stuff like that, but there are ways to actually figure that out. One of these ways is finding, you know, how many X's did it do. All the way towards top up here it was 16x, there's 20x up here, 20x from the very, very bottom. We always look at the bottom towards top. That's 20x move towards up there toward upside, but this over here is something like 30x move towards the upside, and you have 50x is always very interesting level up here. This is 50x towards upside. It's at 13 bucks or something like that. Can you go to 13 bucks? That's just 50x. This is 30x, 50x. All of these levels are very important levels. And the last one up here is, can you do 100x towards the upside? I'm not gonna say anything right now because you never know how these actually things play out, right? How bullish the coin is, fundamentals, this and that, is better than this other coin, it's worse than the other coin. You don't know, but it's important to know that where these major level of resistance are, and 26 up here at the top, that's I think that's the highest it can actually go. That's 100x from the very bottom, unless it does something crazy. 100x is very high. 13 bucks, 50x up there, this is 30x at 8.3 bucks and so forth. But right now, in the very early stages of these moves right now, the only thing we want right now for the first move is getting out of this accumulation zone, and then we're gonna see how high this can actually go. So follow the channel, subscribe, and we might do an update on Decentraland and see how this actually play out. By the way, guys, below down there are in the comments, there are a couple of links. We got a public Telegram channel. If you want to join that, be a part of the gang. And there are going to be a lot of people there during the bull market. Last time we had like 2,000-3,000 people in there, so it's going to be nice and cozy. On the other hand, we got a TA fans club where we talk about coins. We've been, the blue balls, the hardcore fans club of this channel. If you want to join that part, there's a link down below. These are the guys that have been here for years and years, so we've been down in the bear market buying 20-15k Bitcoin and stuff like that. Very nice community. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you another time. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Where's my outro?